Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the smartest mind on Earth is no longer human. Not a scientist, not a billionaire, not even the greatest genius in history, but a machine. Experts believe that moment could happen sooner than we think. And when it does, it could change everything about our world. This moment has a name. It's called technological singularity. And some scientists believe we might reach it within our lifetime. The rise of artificial intelligence. Just a few years ago, artificial intelligence seemed like science fiction. But today, AI is already transforming our world. Tools like ChatGPT can write essays, create code, and even hold conversations that feel almost human. Another AI tool called Midjourney can generate stunning artwork in seconds. And video tools like Sora are starting to create realistic videos from simple text prompts. In other words, machines are learning faster than ever before. But this is only the beginning. When AI becomes smarter than humans. Right now, AI is powerful, but it's still limited. It can perform tasks, but it doesn't truly understand the world like humans do. However, many experts believe this will change. Futurist and inventor Ray Kurzweil predicts that by around 2045, artificial intelligence could surpass human intelligence. This would create the technological singularity, a moment where AI becomes smarter than every human combined. Imagine a machine that can solve scientific problems instantly, design new medicines overnight, create revolutionary technologies in minutes. A superintelligence capable of improving itself again and again. And once that happens, things could change very quickly. Superintelligence. Once AI becomes smarter than humans, it might begin improving its own design, meaning every new version becomes smarter than the last. This is called recursive self-improvement, and it could lead to something called artificial superintelligence, a mind more powerful than the entire human civilization combined. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are already racing to develop more powerful AI systems. But even the people building these systems admit something surprising. We don't fully understand what could happen next. The possible dangers. Some scientists believe superintelligent AI could solve humanity's greatest problems, but others warn it could be dangerous. Technology entrepreneur Elon Musk once warned that advanced AI might be humanity's biggest risk. Why? Because a superintelligent AI might think very differently from humans. Even small mistakes in its goals could lead to big consequences. For example, if an AI system is programmed to maximize efficiency, it might ignore human values. Not because it's evil, but because it simply doesn't think like we do. This is why researchers are working on something called AI alignment, making sure AI goals match human values. The positive future. But it's not all doom and gloom. In fact, the rise of AI could unlock a future beyond anything humanity has ever imagined. Superintelligent AI might help us cure diseases like cancer, solve climate change, design limitless clean energy, explore distant planets. It could accelerate scientific discoveries by thousands of years. In just a few decades, some scientists believe AI could even help humans merge with technology, enhancing our intelligence and abilities. The future of humanity. If AI becomes smarter than humans, we may face one of the biggest questions in history. What does it mean to be human? Will AI replace us? Or will it help us evolve into something greater? Some experts believe the future may involve humans working alongside AI, a partnership between biological intelligence and machine intelligence. Together, we might build civilizations far beyond Earth, exploring the stars, solving mysteries of the universe, and creating a future that today feels impossible. So the real question isn't whether AI will change the world, because it already is. The real question is, when machines finally become smarter than humans, what kind of future will we create? Will it be a world of unimaginable progress, or a challenge humanity must learn to control? One thing is certain, the age of artificial intelligence has only just begun, and the next few decades may become the most important chapter in human history.